Are you confused by prepositions of movement? Let's master them in 1 minute. Use to when you are moving toward a specific destination. If you move from one side to the other through an enclosed space, use through. When you go from one side of a surface to the other, use across. Use into when you are entering a space, like stepping inside a box. And when you are leaving that space, you go out of the box. Moving to a higher level, that's up the stairs. Moving to a lower level, that is down the stairs. Keep these simple rules in mind, and you will describe movement perfectly. You did a great job today. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English tips.